FlashFilm Academy's 2023 NAB coverage is brought to you by FlashFilm Academy. Be inspired, be creative, be profitable. Download our app today to get your free 3-day trial. Let's go.
Hi, I'm Ulrich from Tentacle Sync, and I'm here at NAB 2023. And today I'm gonna tell you something about timecode and how it works. So timecode is basically an audio signal and with a precise time information on it. So how do you make use of it in video production? Well, when you're shooting multi-camera, you need all the cameras to be synced up. So you have time information later for the post-production to sync all the clips. So what does that mean? So how do you do that? Well, by using our devices. Those devices are basically precise clocks outputting the timecode signal, and the first clocks have to be synchronized. And so for that, we have our app. This is the setup app where you can monitor and control all the devices. All you need to do is in the beginning of the shooting day, you need to select the frame rate you're shooting with, and normally you would use the time of day. Hit start, and all the devices are synchronized. Now they have all the same time running. So you can see this here, and you see it blinks at the same time. So what's next? Now you're attaching each device at each camera, and when you have a professional camera, you would use a BNC cable with a dedicated timecode input. But with smaller cameras like DSLR cameras, you can record the timecode onto an audio track, because timecode is basically nothing else than an audio signal. And if you're shooting, I don't know, with an external audio recorder, you can also use a cable to attach it to your audio recorder. So that's the important thing.
Tell me a little bit more about the PC app. Just curious, just off the top of your head, the app that's on the app to sync everything in your computer.
So we're a manufacturer for timecode devices, but we think we do not want to stop there, because the real benefits of timecodes comes in the post-production. So that's why we have invented the Tentacle Sync Studio. The software comes with every device, so every device serves as a software license. And what does Tentacle Sync Studio do? Well, it's a pretty straightforward and simple solution to sync up all your footage. All you have to do is just to drag and drop your footage into the software, hit the sync map button, and it arranges automatically all video and audio clips for you on the timeline. They are perfectly synced up because you have the timecode information, and you can export this sync map via XML to Premiere, Final Cut, or DaVinci Resolve or Avid.
Tell us about which is one of my favorite, is the audio recorder.
The audio recorder, yeah. This is the Tentacle Track E, and this is our audio recorder. So it's a different device than the Syncy. The Syncy just outputs timecode, but the Track E is a pocket audio recorder with 32 bits, 32 bits floating point technology. So you do not need to level anything. You just put it in your pocket. You have a small lavalier mic. You put it here, hit record, and you're good to go. So even if someone is yelling or someone is whispering, everything is perfectly leveled with this recorder, and it will record up to 12 hours with a battery running time, and it can be also synchronized to the sync keys via Bluetooth over the app.
And last but not least, I know you got the time code product that you guys are testing here. Can we talk about that a little bit?
Yeah, okay. This is the Tentacle time bar. It's still a prototype, but it's the first OLED handheld timecode display. The functionality is basically to display timecode wherever you need to see and to read the timecodes, but you can also display random text on it and use it as a timer. So if you're speaking directly into the camera and I don't know, you have only 20 seconds, so it tells you if your time's up.
Let's talk about pricing and availability.
Okay, so pricing for the complete set, so including the microphone, SD card, so you just open the box and can start recording, is $349 for the Trekkie, but we also offer now a new basic box. So when you have your own microphone, you don't need to buy one. So it's and you have your own SD cards. It's just the Trekkie without additional things. So it's $249.
Okay, perfect. What about the Tentacle Sync time code generator, price-wise?
Price-wise, the Tentacle Sync time code generator is $399 for a set of 2. So, and a single set costs a bit more. It's $249 or $229, I think. Yeah.
So where can we learn more about these products?
The best thing is to go to our website. It's www.tentaclesync.com, and yeah, we're happy to have you there.
Perfect. Thank you.
Okay, thanks.
Hey, thanks for watching the video. If you like content like this, click the link on the screen and go over to FlashFilmAcademy.com. We have a membership that will give you access to 300+ hours of content designed to help you grow your business. That's all we talk about. Click that link, start your trial. We even have premium courses, contracts, and templates, all for the business side of this industry. You can go somewhere else to learn how to take pretty pictures, but when you're ready to get that bag, when you're ready to do this for a living, that's where FlashFilm Academy comes into play. All right, see you in the next video.